check out this skin repair moisturizer from Geologie. This stuff is so awesome. With this moisturizer, a little goes a long way. Honestly, you just need a tiny little amount. Basically, you want to put this on after you've washed your face at night time, just before going to bed. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on my skin. Feels incredible. Just pop it on here. Feels so nice. It smells clean and crisp and fresh, and it makes my skin feel so good, especially when I wake up the next morning. It makes it feel incredible. So start to use this every other night until your skin adjusts to this, because it does have retinol in it. So you want to, massage it gently in circular motions, and a little goes a long way. Retinol is a powerful active ingredient that renews the skin surface by stimulating new skin cell production. So it's going to reinvigorate your skin, which is what we want. And you can see on here, it says to do it in the PM, so at nighttime. And this is for acne-prone skin. So if you've got acne, wash your face. Geologie also does face washes as well, so definitely check that out. But wash your face and then pop this on. Like I said, a little goes a long way, and it feels so good. Your skin is going to feel incredible in the morning. So definitely check this one out for smooth feeling skin.